The Paper Bird.
In the rainy town of Badalpur, there lived a boy named Zishan, who was always quiet, always alone. He loved to fold paper, cranes, boats, flowers. It was the only way he felt understood. One day, after being laughed at by classmates, Zishan sat in the corner of the schoolyard and folded a small bird from old newspaper. With a sigh, he whispered, "I wish someone could hear me." As soon as he said it, the paper bird blinked. Its wings fluttered, then it rose into the air and perched on his shoulder. Zishan gasped, "Are you real?" The bird nodded. It chirped softly, not like a normal bird, but in little words, words Zishan had never said aloud. "I feel left out. I want a friend. Please don't laugh at me." The bird was speaking his heart. The next day, Zishan let the bird fly through the classroom. It gently landed on a girl's desk, Ariba, who also often sat alone. The bird whispered her feelings too. From that day, Zishan and Ariba became friends. Then others joined. Not because the bird made magic, but because it reminded them everyone is feeling something. We just don't always see it. Zishan still makes paper birds, but now he gives them to others, folded with care and kindness. And sometimes they still fly. Moral: everyone carries silent feelings. A little kindness can give their heart wings.